Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an assessment here in Kajabi. All right, so first up, log into your account here at app.kajabi.com. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Contacts and just go ahead and click on Assessments. All right, and here just click on Get Started. It says here, assessments are a great tool to collect data from your members or people visiting your platform. So again, just click on Get Started. Now name your assessment. For example, sample assessment. Give it a description if you want to, right here. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and enable this slider, which says automatically grade assessment. Passing grade would be 90%. Okay, no need to enter the percentage sign. It will be automatic. Just enter the number. Hit on save, wait for it. Then go ahead and enable after submission links right here or emails. Okay, enable both if you want to. Send a completion email with a link to results or send a completion email to your team. Okay, you can just go ahead and start typing the emails right here. And if you want to add in some more, just hit on enter or the tab key. All right, language right here, start text, click the button below to start, pass text. You passed this assessment, you failed this assessment for failed text. You can go ahead and edit this one if you want to as well. And then just go ahead and make sure to save it or save the changes, all right? Now, edit questions right here at the top. You can now go ahead and add in a question. Just go to the left panel and click on add question. It could be a multiple choice, paragraph, file upload, multiple selection, you name it, all right? For example, multiple choice, new question, how tall are you? Just like so. And then add an answer. And the correct answer may be tall enough. Okay, select a tag. If you do have tags, go ahead and select one from here. Okay, save. If you want to preview it, just go to top left right here, click on preview. Now click the button to start. How tall are you? Tall enough. Submit. Passed. Okay, go back. Add in a new answer if you want to. Short. Save. Preview. Start, tall enough, submit. Okay. If you want to move your answers, you can go ahead and use this move tool. All right, like so. Hit on save. Now just go back. All right, and here you can go ahead and view results. Right here. As you can see, automatically an email has been sent that I passed, and you can always preview right here. Okay, the question and the answer. You get the point now. You could also export the data right here if you want to. And that is it. That's how you make or create an assessment here in Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.